Hi guys, how's everyone doing today? I don't know how we will proceed with this video today because basically it's very windy, right now. But I really would like to share with you guys my experience with this beautiful perfume. So basically, it's guys, it's AMEER Al Oud, AMEER Al Oud, and this perfume has a very simple notes, nothing too special seems like there, but the perfume at the end ends up to be very special. So the notes in this perfume is vanilla, sugar. There is labandum, which I'm not very used to this note. There is oud as well, and at the end, this perfume ends up to be like an ambery, woodsy type of sweet, and slightly there's a little bit of powder type of feeling as well. So what's the most beautiful? It ends up to be kind of ambery, sweet, and oud type of perfume. That it's actually so beautiful, guys. That I really recommend you to try. I was surrounded, today with this beautiful type of smell that I'm very pleased by it. And the day before as well, I was very happy with this perfume. It's Lattafa brand perfume, and let me just kind of perhaps spray it one more time, guys. Like I'm gonna spray it one more time with this perfume. So 1, 2, 3. We're gonna put the cap back, guys, and very nice, guys. I'm very pleased by this perfume. AMEER Al Oud, I don't know, it's actually not simple AMEER Al Oud, it's intense version. Just be careful when you purchase on Amazon, because basically you can be mistaken, because there are quite a lot of AMEER Al Ouds by other brands, and like there's Fragrance World, that is making AMEER Al Oud as well, and I made that mistake and I bought a wrong perfume, which I'm not using that much, but I had to buy it second time this perfume, and I'm so pleased by it, like really. Like if you guys know this Ragba perfume, so imagine, like, let's say 30% of Ragba, which is ambery type of sweet perfume, infused with this type of like honey sweetness with smoky vibe. So smoky vibe. Like I have never smelled the Zara perfume, tobacco range perfume, but I would imagine might be kind of that smoky vibe there too. People say, but I believe this one might be even better. But I cannot say because I never smelled that one. This is dupe clone to this by the fireplace, guys. I never tried that one, but I'm very already happy enough with this one, and I'm not thinking to buy anything else because this one is already, guys, pretty much good for me. Let me know, guys, is this perfume as well good for you, good enough, or if not, then what are your choices? There is oud in this perfume, so call it as another very nice oud perfume. Is this for man or is this for woman? I would say would be for both, because it's so sweet. It's extremely suitable for women, to be honest, because there is that nice sweetness, but men can use it too. But if you hate sweet perfumes, then you might not like it. But I would say it's unisex, maybe with 1%, there is this type of sweetness that leans towards feminine, but you guys, it doesn't matter like woman or man, you shouldn't be afraid of this perfume, because you will really enjoy it. And is there this smoky vibe? Yes, there is. That's all, guys. I hope you're gonna have a beautiful day. Like this video. I will be back to you soon, and bye bye, guys.